Before this video starts, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future tech tutorials. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to set a Xbox achievement as your Windows 10 wallpaper. As you can see, I have done that right now. I have an Assassin's Creed achievement as my wallpaper. You can see the A. And so now I'll show you how to do it. First of all, search up Xbox in the search bar. And you'll need to have this downloaded from the Windows Store. So if you don't have it installed, you'll need to do that. And click on Xbox, not Xbox Console Companion. So once it's loaded, you'll want to click on your profile icon. And then click on View Profile. Now, under Achievements, you should see all the games you play. So click on a game that you want to take a picture from. So I'll click Forza Horizon 4 because I know it has good pictures. And I'll pick the well-seasoned one with the Audi R8 and Ford GT. So set as desktop. And if I minimize, you can see that that is now my desktop. And this works not only for Microsoft games, but for other ones as well. So if I go out and go to which one works? Brawlhalla. As you can see, I can make this my wallpaper. Set as desktop. If I minimize, here you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps you.
It's not a game, it's a rich